Researching the ring light? Is the ring light worth it? At this rate, it seems like the ring light is a must-have for YouTube videos. The ring light might just be the only light you need to get started making YouTube videos. My name is Duane, and in this video, I'm going to answer those questions and even show you how to set up the ring light. Alright, so you're researching the ring light because more than likely you want to use it to make YouTube videos. Not too long ago, I was right where you are, researching the ring light. And if you're like most people, you want to know, is it worth it? I was very reluctant to spend a little over $100 to get this ring light because, of course, I haven't even made any videos and I don't even know if I'm going to be successful on YouTube. So I was like, well, do I really want to invest this money into the ring light? After a few days of researching and wondering if the ring light was worth it, I said, you know what? Let me just go all in. Well, let me put your mind at ease in regards to if the ring light is worth it. The ring light is absolutely worth 100% of every single cent that you pay for it. The ring light is actually perfect for anybody, whether you're just starting out on YouTube or you're a pro. A lot of people use the ring light in their videos. Well, I think I've babbled on enough. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set this thing up and show you what it looks like. So give me a second and I'll get started on that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Of course, this is not how it looks when you get the package, but this is how it looks after you've opened your package and you put it in this nice little bag that comes with it. So I'm going to take it out and kind of show you guys what to expect. And all these pieces actually are, it comes together, in different parts, right? So in different containers. So here's the actual ring light. This is what it looks like with the LEDs. You guys will see that. That's pretty straightforward there. This is 18 inches on the outside and 14 on the inside. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward there. Okay, so that's a part of it. And then there's the stand. The stand comes in its own box. All right, this is a stand and you can extend it. I think there's like 3 sections where you can extend. I'll show you guys that in a second. And then you have the plug that you plug into the ring light, and you plug this into the socket, into the wall, so you can light it up. Then you have this one more extension here, which is pretty flexible. You can bend it. All right, so that goes with the light as well. And then you have this thing, which I use my cell phone. You can connect this part to this, which holds your cell phone, which is how I record my videos. If you have a camera, you can just, there's a part on here that you can just screw the camera in. Actually screw the camera in here on this, and then you slide that into this part. I'll show you guys that when I get to that. All right, so let me go ahead and just put it together. Let me get the bag out the way. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Okay, all right, good. So you actually get a couple diffusers. I actually have this on mine when I record all the time because the LED is like really bright, and I definitely want my videos to be clear, but I don't need to blind myself in the process. So I'll put that on. I'll show you guys how to put that on. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the stand together. All right, so this is the stand, and this is the part here that I'm going to connect. You'll see. So you just open it like this, and then you tighten this part right here to make sure that it stays secured. All right, so there's that part. And then what I like to do is I like to connect this part right here to the very top. This piece goes right here. And you tighten that. Pretty straightforward, simple stuff, especially since, I've already done it. I wanted to do a video when I first got it, but I didn't know how to put it together, so I couldn't show an unboxing if I didn't know exactly what I was doing. Okay, so after you do that, you take this part and you screw it in here. I'll do it this way so you guys can see. Okay, I was like, okay, I'm making a video. Let's have a good example here. All right, so you tighten this up. And there is your ring light for the most part. Once again, you can adjust these here. You can adjust these up and down. That's one section. There's another smaller section here. You can move that up and down as much as you want to fit your height. Okay, so there's this part here that you plug into the actual the bottom part here. This part here, you actually put it in, and there's a perfect groove. You'll see you got to put it in a certain way, and you put it in, and then you twist it, and it locks it into place. It's pretty straightforward. So that's pretty much that part of it. This part here, which I use for my cell phone, this is what you actually use. You actually use this to put your camera. You put your camera right here, and you screw it on. Okay, but I don't have a fancy camera. I just use my iPhone for now. So you just basically you put it here in this part here, and there's a groove. There's a groove back here that you slide it in. Okay, there's a groove back here, as you can see, and you slide this part in. You slide it in just like this, and of course you got like these two different dials here that you can use to tighten it. You tighten them separately. You can tighten the top one first, and the top one will tighten from here to here, and the bottom one tightens the thing that you slide inside, and so therefore that's basically it. Okay, you can open the base up if you want to make it more steady, because this one's kind of wobbly right now for some strange reason. All right, and you can like I said, you can adjust this however you'd like, whatever height you want it to be. In most of my videos, I have it a little bit above me, so the camera's kind of looking down at me a little bit. So I need to adjust a couple of them to fit me. And if it looks like it's not straight, you know, just adjust as you need to, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and show you guys. Give me 1 second here. All right, I'm gonna turn on the light and show you guys. And this one is actually a dimmable light. There are a lot of different ones. I got this one from Amazon. This one cost a little over $100. I think it was like $109, $119, depending on how available they are. I was supposed to order it and it was supposed to be $109, but I was dragging my feet about it. So this one cost me $119. So I'll turn it on here. There's a little switch back here that you can turn on, and this is you can dim it. It's dimmable, which is very good. It gets really bright. That's as bright as it gets. All right, so the diffuser goes on this way. It took me a while to figure this out. You have to put this piece on first. I would start with this piece. And you just pop it on. And then there are little grooves. You guys can't see it, but you'll see it when you have your own. There are little grooves, and you just follow it all the way around, okay? It's pretty simple and straightforward. You feel kind of flimsy the first couple of times you do it, but if you use this thing enough, and that's the goal, you'll be a pro in no time. Actually, I never take this off. I only took it off to make the video so you guys can see how to put it on. And that's it. And I'll turn it on so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like with the diffuser on, which is pretty nice. It gives your eyes a break from the light. Believe it or not, this is plenty of light. And you guys will see, I'll show you in the video when I actually put my cell phone here. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I'll see you in just a bit. All right, so I want to show you guys, you also get this little remote in the package, which is pretty cool. It's a Bluetooth remote, and you connect it to your phone. It's called AB Shutter, or maybe AB Shutter. It looks like AB to me. But you can connect it to your phone and you can start videos. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a video now. And so now I'm talking to you from the cell phone that's connected to the actual ring light. So I'll turn on the ring light here and show you guys. So you guys are gonna have two videos on the screen right now. And so this is the ring light here, and this is plenty of light. So this is what I use. This is my setup in the video, as you can see. And like I said, this little remote is really cool. You can take pictures, of course. You can start the video, you can stop the video. It's pretty straightforward. The ring light's not even turned all the way up, but it's plenty clear right now. I'll just turn it up to show you guys how bright it can get. So that is the light at its full capacity of brightest, and I'll turn it down. So I really don't need a whole lot of light, but it helps a lot. To even take it one step further, I'll show you guys what it looks like if I were to do a video with it completely dark. Give me 1 second. I used the remote just a while ago to start the video on the iPhone, and this is a ring light in a dark room, and this is the only light that I have in the room. So that's 100%, okay? It's plenty bright. I mean, this makes your picture really clear. I just want to show you how strong this light is, right? From a complete pitch dark room, you can make a video anytime you want, and it looks pretty good because you're pretty well lit. All right, I'm gonna stop the video on the iPhone here with the remote. All right, so the shadow behind me, right? You're not quite digging that shadow. It took a lot of YouTube video watching on my part to figure out how to get the shadow out of here, so I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. Behind me, I have a light, and so as you can see, I'm just gonna turn the light on. So this is what it looks like without the light being turned on. And the light has to be a white light, just like the LED light. It can't be a yellow bulb. That's not gonna work, okay? So just get a white LED light, okay? I got this light from Walmart. It's just a great value light. And so this is what it looks like with the light behind me on. So it kind of gets rid of that shadow a little bit, okay? So it's straightforward. Once again, the links are gonna be in the description. Make sure you check that out, okay? And that's pretty much it, guys. It's simple, it's straightforward. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your own ring light from Amazon. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and ask. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, take care.